Let me quickly show you how to use Venmo to pay on websites. Welcome back to this quick tutorial video on Howgenic. If you have balance on your Venmo and you're trying to pay it online to purchase items, let me show you a few things that you need to know. Now, whenever you are on the checkout page of any website, you need to find the option which says Venmo. Venmo is accepted by a lot of websites, but in case you're trying to pay internationally, you may not have the option called Venmo. Sometimes you only may get the option of PayPal. That is also okay because Venmo is owned by PayPal. So in this case, what you need to do is make sure you have this open up on your phone. This way, whenever you tap on PayPal, it's going to ask you to choose between PayPal or the Venmo app. So if you have balance on the Venmo app, you can easily tap on Venmo and then carry out your transaction. Even if Venmo is directly not mentioned on any website that you're trying to pay onto, you can easily tap on the PayPal option, and then PayPal is going to give you further options to use either the PayPal wallet or the Venmo wallet. So those are the few things that you need to know in order to use Venmo to pay on websites. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.